Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Ezekiel here, and today we're finally upgrading our streaming, our recording, our shouting.
1 hour later.
Our microphone, which I'm currently using right now, is the AT2020. It's the version that has the XLR cable, and you need an interface to connect to your PC and all that good stuff. Bring it in, guys. We bought the SM7B from Shure, guys. Yes, sir. This is like a $400 microphone. Yeah. Okay, guys, so here it is. Finally, we got the Shure SM7B, one of the most popular microphones right now in the market. It says legendary vocal microphone. So let's see what it brings. Let's see what it says in the back, and just not much, just talking about 40 years of professional sound. It brings a closed stock windscreen, and of course the microphone. Oh, it brings in a little white case. Not too much fancy packaging. I mean, I'm not saying the packaging should make it cost $400, but still, you know. So like it said, it brings the little foamy thing. Okay, this one we're not gonna use. Like, I feel this close talk windscreen is just not the best. I prefer the original one it brings, and if you guys been on a Joe Rogan podcast, you probably know it just brings this. Yes, there we go. As you guys can see, the smooth foam. I think there's a lot of pages that, well, not a lot, but a few that make customized colors. We can find this in red, pink, white, any color. Basically, it's just for the SM7B. This is what counts, guys. This is what counts. As you guys can see right here is the dynamic microphone, which we will be replacing our AT2020 XLR right here and putting this one in. Hopefully with our interface it sounds good. I'll be leaving descriptions of what I'm using, and just in case, I don't know, you guys have the same curiosity as I do. And honestly, it does weigh a lot more than I thought it weighed. And beautiful mic, honestly, just everything about it, I like it. And it looks so professional. Here, as you guys can see, let's get this box out. Oh, and it also brings the Shure logo. I'm guessing it's so you can put it under here. Yep, there we go. I mean, I could use it, I could not. I'll see if I use it later or not. Let's get this out of the way, and just as you guys can see, for reference, look at this, chat. The AT2020 and the SM7B side to side. So a lot bigger, a lot more focused, just where we're going to be talking. As you guys can see, it does weigh a lot more. And yeah, with that said, let's get into using it, mounting it, and letting you guys decide which one you guys like more. Okay, chat, and as you guys can hear now, we are over here with the SM7B microphone from Shure. I feel like I'm hearing it pass through my headphones, and I can tell the difference that it is mostly or more focused. In my opinion, going from the AT20 to the SM7B, it does feel like an upgrade. I'm not hearing so much of a surround. I mean, its name does say it. It is a dynamic microphone, and it needs a lot of gain. My interface is the Scarlett 2i2, and it only has around 46 decibels of gain. It's still enough because you guys can clearly hear this really good, but I'm also really close to the microphone compared to the AT2020. And something that I like is that I'm not picking up a lot of noise, and that's really good, because especially for an audience, you don't want to distort them with the surrounding sounds, with the wind, with honks outside, with beeps, someone shutting the front door, or anything like that. And honestly, I just like the sound that I'm getting right now. You guys will be able to hear it. You guys can click back and hear the AT2020, and you guys can click forward to the SM7B, and I might feel like this might be a little bit overkill for a lot of us, especially me. I mean, I stream here and there on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, TikTok, and I my AT2020 sounded really good, but what I did not like was that it would pick up a lot of things. Where it's a cardioid microphone, it means that the polar pattern is cardioid and it has a little bit more to pick on its surroundings. So a dynamic microphone like the one we have right here is just focusing on what it has in front of it. So I honestly feel like this is a really, really good spot to be at for streamers podcast, but the price is hefty. You could start like a medium podcast with 3-4 AT2020s and not spend all your budget, you know what I'm saying, Chad? But so it really depends on your project, on what you're doing. I just want you guys to hear the difference. My interface is barely enough to pick up the preamp, or that's what it's called, to amplify the sound, but I feel like it's still good enough. I didn't have to upgrade an interface, but if you guys do your research before buying this microphone, you need quite the gain percentage. So I would like to know your thoughts in the comments. If you thought this microphone was worth the money, or was it not? Did you guys prefer the AT2020 with curing your room, like putting some sound panels, or limiting the space? I would just like to know your true opinion on this, because I don't know if much people are spending any more $400 anymore on the microphone. Is it worth it? Is it not? Even, I mean, yes, the sound is more concentrated, cleaner, crispier, but is it really worth $400? Which sometimes a lot of smaller streamers are going to take quite a little bit of time to get that money back, So appreciate you guys. This is just a quick video. I just wanted to express what I feel using the SM7B coming from an AT2020, and hopefully you guys can tell me more as the audience what your perspective is on going from this, taking into account the budget, taking into account that it just cleans up the environment, but you're also spending like 4 times more of the money. So peace out, guys, and thank you guys once again for being here. See you guys in the next video.